Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your device can run Wi-Fi while airplane mode is active. This is the only practical network route. First, flip airplane mode on now to silence cellular radios and avoid interference. Once done, do not assume connectivity. Make sure Wi-Fi and Bluetooth controls remain accessible in your settings or system tray. This isolates cellular networks while leaving local network hardware available. It's the single safe method to use a network without cellular service on. Next, re-enable Wi-Fi deliberately after airplane mode is active. This forces the device to use only local networking. Wait for the scan to find SSIDs, then pick your saved network or add a new one and enter the password. If the network uses a captive portal, open a browser to complete the login. Do this immediately so routing and DNS are established. Also re-enable Bluetooth if you need tethered accessories. This sequence ensures you use Wi-Fi without restoring cellular links. Finish by confirming the connection. Check the Wi-Fi icon and view network details to verify IP, gateway, and DNS have assigned. If pages don't load, toggle Wi-Fi off and on once, or forget and re-add the SSID to clear cached credentials. If that fails, restart the device and, when possible, restart the router. One key troubleshooting tip: if captive portal doesn't appear, open a non-HTTPS page or clear browser cache to force the login page to display.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.